Okay guys, I am at Amy's Donuts, best kept secret in Columbus. So with this Homer Simpson, Marge Simpson, Maggie, Elmo. Try to do these real slow so you guys can see. Oh my God, banana cream, banana caramel. The Elvis is really good. It's sad that I've had a lot of these. And these are all their pastry. They're the ones they can cream fill for you right in front of you, and they actually do cream right in front of you. So there's your little review of the really cool Amy's Donuts. And we'll do the little review next. Bye. Half dozen.
Oh, half dozen.
Yep. I want the creme brulee with a little facey face on there. Yep. Yeah. And let's go with the over the rainbow. And let's go with a Elmo. And the banana Foster. Let's try one of those. Glazed old fashioned. And the where you at? The Elvis.
Elvis?
Yes. And I'm going to be a happy camper. Hey guys, Geese TV 143 on the road food review. As you can see, we are at Amy's Donuts, and these things are absolutely delicious, and they're really cool looking. Look at that. So the one I want to try in front of everyone here is the Elvis. Here we go. Oh my God. It's I think it's bacon, peanut butter, and banana. It is. It's bacon. That's crazy. It's actually really good. So there you go. Amy's Donuts. I'll tag you on location here. But I do know this, there's one in Ohio on Georgesville Road, and there's one in Texas. And as you can see by the videos, there's hundreds of donuts, or well over 100. So there you go. Hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're enjoying this, because I'm sure I'm having fun making it. Bye.